Hi, today in front of you BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first we should get the Ampere app from the Play Store. That's why open the application and enter the Ampere. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and click yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK on the left down corner. And after that you will see here the information about battery temperature. In my case that's 27 and 7 degrees. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.